Hi, good morning, students. We are taking the Akash book, students, medical chemistry, and this is the 11th standard study package. Here, Akash Medical IIT and Foundations. So, in that, we are starting the firstly, we will start the some basic concept of chemistry and then structure of atom. So, dear student, when you talk about the basic concept of chemistry, so let's start that very first point. What is mentioned in the Akash book, students? It's almost similar to NCERT student. Only the thing is that they classified the material. So what the introduction they are talking, students? Here you see. When you start studying chemistry, different kind of new questions comes to your mind, and these questions require some basic concepts and the technique of chemistry to be solved. In this chapter, we will study only such concept and technique. We will discuss what is chemistry, why shall we study chemistry, how useful is it to mankind. As you probably know, chemistry is about study of the matter. You know, what the point is that keep in mind, chemistry is about study of matter. So we will study characteristics, classifications, measurement of matter, international system of unit, their conversions. Once unit and their conversion are known, we will study how to make precise and accurate scientific calculation, precise and accurate scientific calculations. After this, we will study how elements combine under the law of chemical combination and Dalton's atomic theory, and how to deal with calculation involving atoms, molecules, moles, molar mass, determination, empirical formula, molecular formula of a compound from the given experimental data. So they a number of things they said, students. Okay, when they are saying, if you are studying the chemistry, so many things are coming. Why do we study? Why do we study in chemistry? Okay, what we will study? Okay, what we will study? This is so basic idea is what, student? That is, chemistry is a study of matter. Simple, you keep in mind. Chemistry is a study of matter. Okay, this is the basic idea. Of matter means what, student? That is a combination of molecule. You can understand that is combination of, firstly you see that is combination of atom. Then next point is what? They are combination of molecule. This is what the second point, combination of molecule, right? Next one is there, student, formation of compound. Formation of what, student? Compound. These are the point we have to study in the chemistry, student. Formation of compound, law of chemical combination, law of chemical combination, right, student? So these are the point which we have to understand, student. In spite of that, there are so many things are also there. So let's move out, student, and try to understand importance of chemistry. Man has always been curious about the change taking place in the surrounding, and this curiosity led him to study, observe, experiment with the change taking place. When these observation and experiment of, or we can say knowledge, is systematically arranged, it is called science. So man has always been curious about change taking place in surrounding, and this curiosity led him to study, observe, experiment with change taking place. When these observations, experiment or we say knowledge is systematically arranged, it is called the science. So we define science as continuing human effort to systematize knowledge for describing the understanding nature. The two definitions we got, student. Firstly, systematic arrangement, And second one is quite tough. Science is a continuing human effort, systematize knowledge, describing and understanding nature. This is next point. This is what the Akash book is saying, student. Due to the expansion of the diversification in science, it has been subdivided into various disciplines like chemistry, physics, biology, geology, etc., so that we can study each of them easily. We define chemistry as the branch of science that deals with the composition, properties and interaction of matter. Chemistry has a very important role in your daily life. Chemistry have important role in our daily life. So what are the importance, some important role of chemistry in our life? Okay, first point you see, students. Chemical property, chemical principle are involved in everything from weather pattern to brain functioning to the operation of a computer. Function to the brain operation, here they are saying weather pattern to brain functioning to the operation of a computer. Different chemical composition of compounds, different chemical composition of atmosphere makes the different weather at different places on the earth as well as different planets too. For example, higher concentration of oxide of sulfur nitrogen in atmosphere causes acid rain. Similarly, greenhouse gases lead extreme weather events such as the drought, flood, high wind, storm. Here principle of geochemistry are involved. In the brain, nitric oxide act as a messenger compound in the transmission of brain waves, and in immune system it slow down the growth of tumor cell. Here the principle of the biochemical process are important. So these are the second point. Let's move, student. Chemistry play an important role in economic condition of a country by having the role of various industrial process like manufacturing, chemical fertilizer, urea, ammonium sulfate, which help in the better production of crop. Alkali, acid, salt, dyes are important in synthetic of various chemical compounds and products of commercial value. Chemical industry involved in production of drug, soap, detergent, metals, alloy and various organic and inorganic compounds have very big role in the economic growth of the main nation. Third point, chemistry has very important role in making human life comfortable and conveniently by the following means. Preservatives like sodium benzoate, sodium meta bisulfate are used for better preservation of food and check its wastage. Insecticide and pesticide like DDC, Gamexin, etc. are useful for the crop protection, storage of food and grain. So this is DDTs are there, student. Okay. No. This is being used, Gamexin and DDT as a insecticide and pesticide. Products of domestic consumptions like soap, cosmetic oils, perfume, etc. are outcome of the chemical synthesis. Okay, so these are all the soap, cosmetic oils, perfume, whatever we are using, these are the outcome of the synthesis. Healthcare product, skin cream, soap contain chemical compound. Similarly, disinfectants and germicides also contain chemical compounds. Material for involving quality of life like air conditioner use chemical substance like liquid ammonia or liquid sulfur dioxides. Life-saving drugs such as cisplatin, Taxol used cancer therapy, AZT, azithromycin is used for helping AIDS victim are prepared by the chemical process. With advancement in the chemistry, now it is possible to make now material with specific magnetic, electric, optical properties, superconducting ceramics. The ceramics material used to make superconductors are class of material called Favorskyt conducting polymers are organic polymers that conduct electricity, optical fibers, and fire. A flexible, transparent fire made of a pure glass silica, not much wider than the human hair. Hair. With increase in understanding of chemistry, now it is impossible to apply principle of chemistry to stop the environmental degradation. Like chlorofluorocarbon are there, a refrigerant responsible for the ozone depletion in the stratosphere has been replaced with a newly synthesized blend of various compound R410A and also natural refrigerants such as ammonia, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and non-halogenated hydrocarbon. They preserve the ozone layer and have no ammonia and have that is ammonia or only low carbon dioxide, hydrocarbon, global warming potential are is used again. Still there are some changes to chemists like the management of the greenhouse gases like methane, carbon dioxide, etc. Understanding various chemical reactions, living organism, biochemical process and use of enzyme for large scale production of chemicals. So these were the use of the daily use of the what student chemistry in everyday life, right? So thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel student and don't forget to comments.